We have in the garage Mercedes E-Class. It's an E350. It could be E320 or the E500s. Similar work is the 4MATIC. We're going to do the transmission flash, and we're going to use exact measurements. Use whatever you have. This is 2 cords here. I will take the transmission pressure line coming to the radiator. I already took it out. Is the upper on the passenger side. Just take the clip out, and so that's how you release the transmission pressure line and the return line, just by removing the clip and pull the line back. Okay, so this is the transmission pressure line. This is what comes out of the transmission and going to the cooler. In this case, the radiator, and it's in the upper part. It's another one lower for the return when it's cold or cooler. So at this time, it's a brand new radiator, and I don't want to get this system plugged in with dirty fluid. So what I'm going to do on this transmission flush, I'm going to use the pressure line coming into the radiator. But usually, good thing is to take out the return, the lower part or the return line, because it will flush through the radiator as well, and best to use the return line. But at this time the radiator is brand new and I don't have anything in it, so the pressure line is good enough for me. I unplugged it. I'm going to connect a hose here, and I'm going to drain it down below where I can see it drain while the engine is running. So what we're going to take 2 cords out. We'll stop, put 2 cords in, and there's the funnel in the back of the engine where the dipstick cap is, and I put the funnel there. I enter 2 cords. This is not how you service the Mercedes-Benz car. You're supposed to service the transmission from under. You have to have a pump and another special tool to drain it, and of course you got to take out the filter and change the gasket and all this kind of thing. At this time I'm not doing that. I'm just going to flush whatever is inside. It's really dark fluid, so good enough for now. Down the road I will do the complete service by taking out the filter as well, but this time we're going to do just a flush. Remove the pressure line coming to the radiator. Remove the clip and pull the line back. Connect something here and we can. Okay, I have found a clear hose. Went over the pipe, the pressure line. Hopefully it won't leak. Good idea to put some kind of clamp, but I'm pretty confident they won't leak up here. And it's clear enough for us to see what's coming out. At this time we're going to have a control of it, and we're going to use this. If we fill up 2 cords at a time. Start, please. Got it? Yes. Look how it's coming out, totally dark, like a motor oil. Two cords out. Now we're going to go on the top, 2 cords in. Okay, now we got to pour 2 cords in from the top. We remove the plug or the dipstick is, because Mercedes does not have a dipstick. And look at the difference in the oil. The car had some issues with first, second gear. I'm not surprised. This car ran, but not quite good. And the transmission fluid was really very dirty. Hopefully this will take care of the problem. Transmissions are hydraulic. They need lubrication, plus the hydraulic fluid properties to actuate inside the transmission body, like solenoids and stuff like that. Okay, we are going to take out the last two quarts now. Hopefully they will turn reddish, and let's watch it. Okay, start the engine please. The color changes to red already. You can see it reddish now. Nice. Down to the last quart now, and it should be all red now. Turn the engine on please. Red. Okay, we have good fluid, and I believe we are there. Okay, we are completely ready at this time. You can see it. Okay, the flushing, the transmission fluid complete, and I tell you, it was very dark like a motor oil, and it became reddish after 9 quarts. Now this is the upper line from the cooler, so I'm going to just press it into it clicks, and then just put a clip on it, and that will be done. Press it in, you hear a snappy sound like that, and then just you put a clip on it, and I will let the car run and test the shifting. So we're going to measure the fluid we have in right now, and measure it with the dipstick we bought for the Mercedes-Benz dipstick. It does not come with the car. Transmission flushing is complete. It doesn't take too long, just pop this out, attach it to a clear hose, drain 2 quarts at a time, and there is the funnel in the back of the engine where the dipstick cap is, and I put the funnel there, I enter 2 quarts and I keep on doing it, and the transmission flush 15-20 minutes with a little help, and all set. Good luck to you guys.